Want to know how to enter the market or browse the market in Red Hat or Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. And first things first, you can just simply open up your Red Hat Legends application and make sure you clear all the levels and tutorials first. So we have also created a video on how to do that, so make sure to watch that. So once everything is done, here you should be seeing this interface right here. So you can just simply find market by just simply dragging and seeing it. So market should be around here, right below portals. Just simply select that, and now once you click market, here you can see that you can buy various things through the market. So a ranger, a sealed, and more gears, as you can see right here. And you can also see clans hop, coin trader, bazaar, and much more. So you need to join clans for that, and you need specific levels, and that's it. Super simple and easy. Here's how you browse your market in Red Hat Legends. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.